So welcome to Techy Roque. You're watching this video and this is the video on the Opera GX. If you want to install, open a browser and search for the opera.com/gx. So you will redirect to the website of it, Opera, and the new version of it for gamers only, that is the Opera GX browser. Enter this URL and you will redirect to the website. So here's the download link, but you can explore other feature. This download link is the online downloader, and if you want to install from the website, official website, so just type Opera and this is the official site. And in this section you will see the Opera and the Opera GX. Select the one that you want and here's the download link, online download link. So the file is downloaded, but if you want the offline setup, then you can go to the end section and just click on the 32-bit or 64-bit that you want. 64-bit for mine. And after downloading, I am opening the online setup, that is this. So it takes some time and internet connection, so make sure you're connected and keep installing this. It has the basic and the advanced feature, that is the RAM limiter and the network limiter, so you can stream your games and play games without interruption of browser like Chrome. This is the startup screen. It is the built-in messenger in the WhatsApp. You can pin it and you can also close this by 3 dots. So this is a game section. You can explore games, download and buy, and it also has the battery saver, so it will help for longer. You don't need to close. And this is the main feature of it, that is the RAM limiter, network limiter and the CPU usage limiter, so you can limit the usage and you can play games without any interruption of this browser. And it is the hard limit, so it will not go above the limit, but some tabs will not open it. Cool animation with sound effects. You can try at your own and you can also add some extra feature in it. Here's the tab section you can close, and also the screenshot section here, and you can see the typing effect in it. And let's try the network speed, and after open this, turn on set a limit and you can see the effect of it. Now the speed is going down. And when increasing a limit, you can see the effect in it. The RAM limiter, if you have above 5 tabs open, then you can only access the one if you apply the RAM limit in it, and you can see the 4K performance in it. Video playing smooth, no lag, and it also has the pop-up built in it. You can enable in Chrome by adding a plugin in it, but it has a built-in pop-up PIP. So here you can see after decreasing a limit, there's a less performance, and you can also see the color, the animation you can select in it. Animation with sound effect, you can increase the volume, and now listen. Maybe you will like it and maybe not. You can disable it or you can decrease the volume to the by default. can turn and disable what you needed and what you not. You can explore the settings, and you can also export the data from the Chrome, so you will use it as a default browser in it. This is the new tab. Maybe there's a bug in the speed dial, not showing. And let's check it is true or not by applying the RAM limiter. So you can see this is not true, showing the 0.65 of gigabyte, but in the taskbar it's above the 1 gigabyte. So let's see the opening and the closing time, how fast this browser is. Like standard Opera browser is like that for me. So you can close the previous tabs open in the settings, and it is a built-in Twitch and the Discord servers you can join and stream. So thanks for watching. Hope you really like this video. Subscribe this channel for more.